pray Taraweeh. And this is the problem with so many girls in my country. So we do not pray them. I heard it is similar to praying Fajr. Is this so? What surahs one should read after Fatiha if one does not know a lot of the Quran? Kiran, this is not a legitimate excuse. All what it takes is few minutes. If you just simply write the word Taraweeh in the search box in www.islamqa.info. This is the most trusted Islamic site in this world with Islamic knowledge. If you write Taraweeh, it gives you so many answers with explanations, but in a nutshell, Taraweeh is part of the big umbrella. The bigger umbrella is called night prayer. What is night prayer? Any voluntary prayer you offer after Isha and before the break of dawn, before the adhan of Fajr. You have like 8, 10, depending on the region you live in, 10 hours, 11 hours, maybe less. This night time, after Isha, after you've concluded your Isha prayer, anything you pray is called night prayer, Qiyamul Layl. And under it is Taraweeh. Taraweeh is a specific night prayer designated in the month of Ramadan. It is preferable and recommended for men to pray it in congregation in the masjid. Women can perform it in the masjid, but it is best for them to perform it home, like every other night during the year, as it is night prayer. How to perform it? Piece of cake. The best is to pray 11 rak'ah every single night, whether in Ramadan or other than Ramadan. How do we pray these 11 rak'ahs? You pray 2 rak'ahs, like Fajr, finish tashahhud, offer salam. Then you stand up and pray another 2 rak'ahs. So you complete 8 rak'ahs. These 8 rak'ahs are considered part of night prayer. Then you conclude your night prayer with 3 rak'ahs known as witr. And the format is up to you. Either you pray 2 rak'ahs, like the previous ones, conclude with salam, then pray 1 single rak'ah with witr, Fatiha and a surah. And there are prescribed surahs. But if not, no problem. Is there any prescribed surahs for the 11 rak'ahs? No, the sky is the limit. The 3 last rak'ahs, the witr, it is prescribed that you recite Al-A'la, then Al-Kafirun, then Al-Ikhlas, Qul Huwallahu Ahad. That's it. If not, no problem. If I don't memorize a lot of the surahs, only short surahs, what to do? You can recite that. You can repeat them over and over while in the standing position. You can even hold the Quran in your hand. You can even hold a mobile phone or a PDA, a tablet or whatever, put it in front of you or hold it and read from it so that you would prolong the standing position. It is very simple, very easy. The essence of it, the quality time you spent worshiping Allah Azza wa Jal and reciting His book, His words, that nothing is beloved to Him more than it, and to supplicate and to seek Allah's forgiveness.